Hello everyone, this is Prabhaval. I'm a student of a DM English school. Hope you all are cool and dandy. I'm also cool and dandy. So my today's video topic is what have we learned in class number 1 of level 2. So let's start it. So in our class number 1 we've learned IPA sound. The full form of IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet, and there are 44 IPA sounds. IPA sound is divided into two parts. The part number one is vowel sounds, and there are 20 vowel sounds. And the second part is consonant sound, and there are 24 consonant sounds. The vowels sounds are also divided into two parts. So in our class number one, we learned the part one of vowel, and the part name is single vowels, and there are 12 single vowels. And another name of single vowels is monophthong sounds. Okay, let's start the sounds. The first sound is a. The example is gods. The second sound is a, and the example is saw. The third sound is a, and the example is come. The fourth sound is a, and the example is calm. Then the fifth sound is e, and the example is sit, happy. Then the sixth sound is e, and the example is sit, sit. Okay, then the seventh sound is u, and the example is pool. The eighth sound is o, and the example is pole. And the nine number sound is a, and the example is bed. Then the 10th sound is a, and the example is bad. Then 11 number sound is, and the 11 number sound is and the example is forget, forget. And here is an important thing that you need to, and the important thing is pronunciation. In the British, if you follow the British pronunciation, you no need to pronounce the letter R, because in the British pronunciation they don't pronounce the letter R. And if you follow the American pronunciation, you obviously need to pronounce the letter R, because in the American pronunciation they pronounce the letter R. Okay, then the 12 number sound is 12 number is and the example is fur, fur. And there is another thing which we have learned in our class number 1 of level 2, and that is word meaning. The word is syllable, and the meaning of syllable is the smallest unit of sound. That's all. Thank you for hearing me with patience. Bye bye.